This is a ladder stitch. Now this is really useful to create rolled hems. So usually you would use this on like a sheer fabric, or here we're going to create like a little tiny baby rolled hem. So you're going to take a little stitch of the top, and then you're going to travel horizontally down to this bottom edge here. Now that we have some more stitches, you can see you pull on this gently and it rolls that hem up really nicely for you and creates a little tiny little rolled baby hem. And there are some small stitches on the face of that, but again, it kind of rolls up and becomes really pretty and cute.